2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, we're gonna have our staycation in Ing Hotel in Dubai because it's a pet-friendly hotel and we're gonna bring Kobe along with us. So stay tuned mga beshies. Let's go! I'm gonna give you a room tour of our hotel room here at Ink Hotel Al Jadaf. So let's start with the shower room. There's a shower room here. There's a basin, mirror, and then they have their own, you know, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Then there's lotion and again body wash. Then there's a weighing scale there, toilet, and then they have a complimentary coffee setup. Then the wardrobe. Then this one, another mirror here. And then there's a television, mirror. There's too much mirror. And then there's a working area here. And then the side, there's a special guest on this vlog. Hello! Kobe! Si Sungit yan eh, oh. Look at Sungit. Kobe is in the house, y'all! Kobe! And then there's, what is this? King bed?
I think it's double.
Double bed. Or queen bed, I don't know. Then there's some mop here of Dubai. On the headboard, there's a telephone. And then on the side, there's a lounge area. There's a side drawer, and this is our view. City view. And then on that side, we're gonna explore that later. We'll see if we have time. So yeah, that's it. Just a small tour for this cutie room. See you guys later. These are all our hotel baon. Still snacks from Armenia, then chicharon, then cup noodles, and we also have peanuts and Don't know if this is pork or beef jerky from Armenia as well. And of course, pork adobo, yummers. Let's go. Ay, ang sungit naman yan. Biglang umalis doon. Video. Hi. What do you want? You hungry na? Eat ka na. Hello mga beshies, we're going out from our hotel because we're gonna buy some things from the supermarket such as water and other food. So this is the outside of our hotel, outside view. And then we're just going to the other building to check because as per the receptionist there's a mall inside this building and she said that there's a supermarket, so let's check it out. This is the Jadaf Canal. Around here are residents and hotels, so that's our hotel, Ink Hotel. Actually, I checked the other building but I did not find the mall, and it seems that the mall is still closed, so I'm not sure if it's already operating. Let us check. Dubai Wharf entrance. I think this is the only mall entrance which is open, so we'll check if we'll find the supermarket here because we've checked all the doors near that side, but there wasn't open. So here there's a supermarket, W Mart supermarket, so let's check what's in here and maybe we can buy our dinner as well. Let's go. Feeding the cats until here sa Dubai. Mga beshi, we were able to buy some water, soft drinks, and cheese for later. So pabalik na kami sa hotel and yeah, we're just enjoying the last days of winter here in Dubai and before head back to work next week. So for now we're just exploring this area. So far, most of the establishments are still closed and it's quite hard to find the restaurant here. So we're still deciding if we'll just order from the room service or we'll order from online. We'll see. Back in our hotel. Waiting for the food delivery and si Kobe nakakalong na sa akin. Kobe. Cute. Ayaw niyang i-shoot yung kamay niya kaya nakaganyan siya. Paa lang yung nakashoot. We just ordered online with Grill O. This is our favorite chicken here in Dubai, so every time we come here we always order from them. This is like a peri-peri style chicken, so I'll show you. Let's go. This is what I want to show you mga beshi. Ganito siya, like peri-peri chicken with a spicy sauce. So the chicken is grilled. And then there's kubus, free kubus as well. Then there's like extra sauce. Oh my god, my mouth is watering now. And I really want to eat this. Oh my gosh, after it's been a while. Let's go. wala yung appendix. Hindi na siya ganun kalala mag-ano. Hello mga beshi! So I'm gonna introduce you this wine, Mayron. It's summer wine and this is a white wine. Year was 2022 and the grapes is Boskehat. So we bought this from Armenia. Diba, the bottle is so pretty, color green, and there's a gold, what's this, closing, wow, closing. So sa SAS namin siya binili for 4,160 drams, their currency. So let's open this.
No casualties have been reported, but a federal emergency has been declared, and over 4,500 people, including hundreds of children, have been evacuated so far.
Medyo matigas ang cork, so kailangan ng more puwersa.
Evacuation is being carried out gradually, street by street, and people are also being notified through loudspeakers.
Authorities say the dam was built to resist the river's usual level of 5.5 meters. Due to torrential rain and melting ice,
ganyan siya.
Which could have caused the dam to
Lift the cork.
Russian authorities opened a criminal investigation into the cause of the dam burst, and until this breach is fixed, there's no end in sight.
The flood situation remains critical. The water is coming.
Ayan. Ito na yung cork niya. This is our favorite white wine from Armenia. Let's go my beshies and try this again.
Neighboring Kazakhstan has also been affected.
Morning mga beshies! We're now here at the breakfast area in the hotel and I'll show you around this area. Let's go! So we have juices, breads, Danish breads, different kinds of bread, croissant, bread. Here, and then yogurts, banana, then cold cuts and cheese, fruits, and then they have this, beans, paratha, mushroom and bell pepper, and this one, sausage and bacon. Let's go. This is what I'm having for breakfast. Thank you. Coffee as well. Avocado toast. I ordered from Tahoe Avenue. Tahoe. Yummers. Let's try this hype. Tahoe Avenue, mga beshi. Let's try. Mainit pa. Very hot. Which, what I like. Parang nasa Pinas lang sa umaga, diba? Legit. 11 out of 10. Lunchtime mga beshi, we ordered chicken biryani from a Pakistani restaurant and dal, and then the leftover pork adobo. Let's eat mga beshies. Another day here in Ing Hotel. So we're gonna have our breakfast now. Let's go, mga beshies. This is my breakfast. A healthy effect. Let's go. fruits for breakfast. Mangoes, pineapple, and yogurt with granola. Let's go. Walking Kobe in the hallway. Kobe. Come, come, come. Research hotel there. Come on, Kobe, come. We booked our taxi from Karim and we're heading to Dubai Festival Mall. Let's go. Cafe. It's been a while since we've been here, and this is the entrance to the mall. It's been like a few years already that we last came here to this mall, and happy to be back here. Let's go and explore. First stop, Nike store. Check ng sapatos. Si Dudong, pag Nike talaga, hindi mapigilan ang sarili. Ang daming sale dito. Mabisa. Mga pambata na yan eh. Cute to. Dubai Mall. Dubai Mall. Dubai Festival. Mga Dubai Mall. Parang nandito sa Dubai. May Watsons to, no? Oh, Watsons. Check kami dito kung anong meron dito sa first floor. Let's go! We're now here at the food court in Dubai Festival City. And we'll check what are we going to have for lunch. So there is Pizza Hut. Ito. Noon and Kebab. Donors. Papa John's. And other Asian cuisine. Let's go and check it out. Oh, there's a lot of Indian foodies as well. Foodies. And what's in there? This restaurant. Parang Indian din siya, no? Samay pala din. And Baba Keme. Iskender. Baba Iskender Keme. Wala. Rice is here na. Ayan na yung ano, mga keme. Yummers. crab balls. Thank you. Let's eat na mga beshies and try this seafood boodle fight from Off the Hook. Wow, parang first time. Hindi mailagay yung ano. Crab balls. Tabunan yung salmon.
Ganun taong bebe.
Mahal ako akwan. Shrimp. Open. Say ano mang salmon? Check mo may tinik. Salmon. Maraming salmon. Let's eat mga beshi. For time. Going back to the hotel and we're gonna ride the cab here on this side.
Exit right, then turn right. Exit right, then turn right on Al-Jadif Street.
Bessie, we're back in our hotel from Dubai Festival Mall and time to rest na for now, and later we'll still gonna check what's our plan for tonight. Let's go. Wala? Ano yan? Usually, ano siya dito, yung siksik na siksik. Mister! Yun o. Hoy! Huli! Pero hindi kulong.
Ang tagal nagtago siguro niya.
Huli ka, Kobe. Makita ka na siya.
Mister! We're home, Mister!
Huli!
Natulog!
Sir, tulog mo. Tingnan mo yung mata mo. Oh! Yan, nakapag-recharge na yung baby na yan ah.
Tulog yan
Kobe's happy! Yay! Ay, pucha.
Kala niya may treats ka.
Mga beshi, look at what I found. Sa Lulu, Dubai Festival, my favorite chocolates when I was young. Safari and Toffee Labs. My God, I'm so happy. It's like a treasure for me. So, si Kobe talaga yung nakaupo. Ako talaga yun nandito sa lapag, no?
That's kasi yung takaw.
Siya na yung tao ngayon. Ako na yung, baby.
Kasi birthday po niya, kaya spoiled.
Too much spoiled this one. Hindi rin nakakaganda pa, bebe. Bo, sarap na sarap yun. Kobe's so happy for the treats. Favorite, favorite. Okay. Almost done, Kobe.
Feeling niya kasi na kumain ako ng safari. Treat niya yun. Naawa ako sa itsura niya. Yan na. Going to ground floor for ladies' night at the Bistro Restaurant. We're here at the Bistro Restaurant, the ground floor of the hotel. Kobe! Oh, di ba kasama namin siya mag ladies night? Cutie! Waterfront. Kabi. Kabi. Saan? Oo, meron dyan playground. There's a playground there. Mga beshi, we ordered truffle slider and it comes with fries and dips. Let's try. For baby. Beshies, let's try their truffle burger here in Bistro Restaurant here at Ink Hotel. I like how the beef is being grilled because you can taste the smoky flavor. And then one more bite. I will rate it as 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10? That's too low.
It's high na.
I know. I'll give it 10 out of 10.
You haven't tried it yet.
But I can see it.
It's up to you.
Can I?
But for me, it's 7 out of 10.
Can I? Give me. Open. Yeah, it is.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. The patty is so legit.
Okay, it's 9 out of 10.
Good boy, Kobe. I love you. Go na.
Where's your betlog?
Uy. Heading back to our hotel room. Last day breakfast here in Ink Hotel, mga beshies. This is what I'm having. Yummers. Let's eat. Beshi, time for checkout. I'm going to the reception and they're heading straight to the parking. Kobe and Bebe. Let's go na. Hello mga beshies. So we're heading back home to Abu Dhabi and we really enjoyed our stay at Ink Hotel and hopefully we'll come back there third time around. So hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for the Ink Hotel. Thank you so much for watching.
2, 3, funky.